or Newifi 3 modem router, Wi-Fi router, which inside the box, the only thing included is the unit itself and the power adapter and the manual. There are no LAN cable on this set. So what else can I say about this one? This one is already modded to custom firmware, which is Padavan Firmware. When I purchased it from an online seller, he mentioned already that he'll be updating it to Padavan. I'm not sure why, because maybe it's the original version is Chinese, so he upgraded it to Padavan firmware. But the most important thing is the hardware itself. Is this reliable, and will it be better than the other 10 routers that we have tested? So what else are included in this unit is one port and 4 LAN port for PC or laptop or other devices, and you have a USB 3 port which is color blue. I'm not really sure, I'm just assuming that it's USB 3. Okay, and it has a solid build. It's heavy, really. And as per spec sheet, I try to search in the internet. It can accommodate up to 200 users simultaneously. So I'm not really sure if it can test that one, because I only have 25 units, 20 to 25 units at my disposal to test if it can accommodate those units. So I'm not sure if we can test for the 200 units, but let's just check, because it also mentioned that it have 512 memory. Wow, that's a lot compared to the AC23, which only have around 128 or 256. I can't really recall, but we're talking about this one. We're going to talk if this one will penetrate through wall or something. And guys, another thing is I'm trying to review this Wi-Fi router to help us have a better coverage or range at our home. This would not definitely eliminate your modem router provided by your service provider. For example, what we have here in the Philippines is we have PLDT, Converge, and Globe, and I'm not sure, maybe Sky Broadband. This one would not eliminate the modem provided by them. This will just help you expand the range and to have a better coverage on your home or outside, or you can also use this as an access point, I believe. And let's try to test if we can have a better range on this one for less than 2,000 pesos. See you on the testing. Hi guys, and as you can see, this is the web interface of the new Wi-Fi 3 with the Padavan firmware, and there are a lot of options in here that you can use, even VPN server and VPN client. There are a lot of things that we can do in here. So there are also setting up your new Wi-Fi 3 to guest AP bridge and wireless MAC filtering and everything. There are a lot of things that you can do, and it even have firewall on it, USB application. There are a lot of things that you can do with this one, which I won't be tackling everything on this video. So you can explore if you already have a new Wi-Fi, but the basic things that you are usually asked from me is, can it be set up as guest AP and bridge? Yes, as you can see, there are options in here that you can do that as well. Okay, then a lot of things in here is much complicated, really, honestly. And as you can see, there are Chinese information here that we can't read. So what I try to do in here is just right click and translate to English. And as you can see, configure extended environment. I'm not even sure what does that do. And let's try to translate this to English as well. As you can see, there are a lot of things that you can do in here, but we won't be tackling that one up. We are here just to test the Wi-Fi range and speed of the router. And guys, as you can see, this is the result that we have for our new Wi-Fi 3, and as you can see, it's not really as good as the AC23 that we have tested before, but it's not that bad. It's we were able to access the internet and upload and download speed tests on our bedroom and on the ground floor outside the house. Then the only problem is with the roof deck. I'm not really sure what happened there, but we also tried to use the ASUS that we have, and it yields us a better output rather than have testing the new Wi-Fi 3. It's not that really great, but it's not that bad compared to the Tenda F3 that we have tested before. And there you go, there's the result. Hi guys, and as you can see, the result is not that great, but it's not disappointing. It can still function as well as you intended to, for just for 2,000 compared to the ASUS that much more expensive than this one. It's a China brand, it's still working, you can still get a great range for it, but for me, I'll still get the AC11 or the AC23, which I think, or I believe, is better than this one, based on the results that I have tested. As you can see a while ago on all the tests that we have done for the other routers as well, this is not that great with the same price of AC23. Solid build, but I'll still suggest you go for the AC23. The only problem with that one is that AC23 have an Chinese web interface, but this one, for the Padavan firmware, there's English, and it's much easier to understand or configure the settings of this one. Okay, and guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and thank you. Bye.